Hello everyone! Today we will be making a non-cooked chocolate pudding with a secret ingredient. This is a perfect recipe if you have a chocolate craving or a sweet tooth. This recipe provides a little chocolatey goodness as well as some healthy fats from avocado. Yes, I said avocado. That's what we will be using as our secret ingredient. For this yummy recipe, you need 6 ingredients. We'll start with 2 ripe avocados, 1 banana, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
In a blender, mix together milk, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, honey, bananas, and avocados. Blend until creamy and smooth. Place pudding in individual cups and chill in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Top your pudding with your favorite fruit or sprinkle some roasted nuts or even yummy coconut.